Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to create a virtual hard disk in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Creating a virtual hard disk, VHD, in Windows 11 is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. Right-click on the Start menu and select Disk Management from the options. In Disk Management, click on the Action menu and select Create VHD. Choose a location to save the VHD file. Give it a name and specify the size. Select the format. VHD supports up to 2 TB, or VHDX supports up to 64 TB and offers better resilience. Choose the type. Fixed size pre-allocates the specified size, or dynamically expanding grows as needed. After creating the VHD, it will appear as an unallocated disk in Disk Management. Right-click on it and select Initialize Disk. Choose either MBR or GPT as the partition style. Right-click on the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. Follow the wizard to assign a drive letter and format the disk with the file system, for example, NTFS. Once formatted, the VHD will appear as a new drive in this PC, ready for use. You can also create a VHD through the Settings app by navigating to System, Storage, Advanced Storage Settings, Disks and Volumes, and following similar steps. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.